Fixing an ink cartridge missing error on the HP Ink Tank 310 and 410 printer series. Fix your HP Ink Tank 310 or 410 series printer when the alert light blinks and one or both printhead icons display, or a cartridges missing message displays on the printer control panel. Remove and reinstall the printhead or printheads indicated on the printer control panel. Close the output tray extender and then rotate the output tray to the left to stow it in the printer. Open the front and printhead access doors and then wait until the carriage is in the center and silent. If the carriage does not move to the center, press and hold the black color copy button for 3 seconds. Wait until the carriage is in the center and silent. Push down on the blue carriage latch to release it. The blue carriage latch opens. If the control panel displays an indicator above the tricolor icon, push down on the tricolor printhead and remove it from the printer. If the indicator appears above the black icon, push down on the printhead and remove the black printhead. If indicators appear above both icons, remove both printheads. Remove any plastic tape or orange plugs that might remain on the printhead from the initial setup. Caution: avoid touching the contacts or ink nozzles. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Hold the printhead by its sides and then slide the printhead at a slight upward angle into the empty slot, and then gently push up on the printhead until it snaps into place. Repeat this process for the other printhead if indicated on the control panel. Close the blue carriage latch by pushing it down until it locks into place. Close the doors. The priming process continues. If the error persists and the printer did not prime, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer might resolve printhead errors. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Disconnect the other end of the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the power cord to the printer, and the printer turns on automatically. Try to print a document. If the issue persists, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.